As businesses build out their capabilities for digital services, they're having to rethink the way they deliver, support, and bill for those services. Just think of the three-click to buy concept. But managing digital services on such a grand scale is simpler said than done. For one thing, the concept of digital everything means you have a lot more digital assets that you have to manage and maintain. So you have larger volumes of assets, much greater cost, and potentially more open to security threats. So the question that we're looking to address in this video is how should IT organizations navigate their way to maturing their IT asset management function in support of those digital services? This is how. When maturing your IT asset management function, it is vital to build a roadmap that helps you to focus on the task at hand and to avoid running before you can walk. Your roadmap needs to cater for these three key steps. The first step is to understand what you have. This phase is all about capturing relevant and accurate asset information relevant to the use cases you're supporting. Traditionally, this has meant data centers, cloud, end-user computing, but is now extending to connected devices and IoT. The key point is not to boil the ocean. Only gather relevant information at the right depth that will solve your priority business outcomes. Other asset types and attributes will be incorporated in later iterations. By narrowing your field of vision, you can focus on improving data quality far more quickly. Now that you have the relevant assets in the CMDB, start to manage the assets. This includes bolstering up asset lifecycle management, software lifecycle management, and contract management processes. The final phase is where you optimize use of assets by improved tracking, usage, and decommissioning processes. Keep in mind that not all asset types are equal, so it is perfectly feasible and advisable to take on hardware asset management through such a roadmap before opting for more complex and intricate asset types such as software. You were only supposed to transition smoothly to the next scene. Let's recap. So in building the roadmap, there are three key things that you need to do. First of all, identify the business outcomes and use cases that you're after. Then break down the approach based on asset types, say hardware first. And then define a roadmap based on your existing capabilities and that target operating model to help you get to those objectives quickly. I'd love to hear your approach to IT asset management and the digital transformation challenges that you're trying to address. Let me know by leaving comments below. This was the fourth and final mini-series video on how to quickly mature your asset and configuration management processes. If you want to take a look at the rest of them, follow the links I've left below.